Good morning, friends. Myself Kedar Badheka. Today I am taking the lecture of quality engineering. The topic of the today's lecture is quality improvement technique. So, uh, with starting this lecture, we start this lecture with the concept of the quality, and I want to ask one question is that what is your understanding about the quality? Because uh, before asking these questions, the basic objective of this question is that the meaning of the quality the meaning of the quality is very different for the different service sectors, because generally, as per the basic understanding, the quality for the product is the quality for the service which is different. But we have to generalize one thing about the quality is that, suppose I want to give the definitions of the quality is that, in the manner is that the quality is just the degree of the uniformity, is just the degree of uniformities and the dependability. I'm explaining this definitions with giving you a one example is in the manner is that, suppose you are buying a one product, right? So as a customer, your expectations about the product is the quality of the product is in the manner is that the product is running very satisfactory during the its service life, right? And in the service sectors, uh, the another concept about the quality is that, the suppose you have to buy the same kind of the product, the quality of the same product is very uniform for the next product also. So the definitions of the quality is the degree of the quality and the degree of the quality with the uniformities and the dependability. So now we move forwards to the next topic, which is about the quality improvement techniques. So the quality improvement technique, which is broadly classified in the two segment. So the first segment, which is the quantitative techniques, and second, which is the qualitative techniques. The quantitative technique, which is improving the quality of the product with using the previous data of or the previous statistics of the product, right, for improving the quality, right? In the qualitative product, the qualitative techniques or the concept which is based on the concept for improving the quality, which is given by the different quality gurus. So in today's lecture we are try to focus the different qualitative techniques of the quality improvements. So in this lecture, we start with the different kind of the concept. You can show in this video. I am mentioning the different quality concepts here, like the 5S, Kaizen, Kanban, TQM, TPM, Pokayoke, Six Sigma, Lean Manufacturing, etc. Right? So we start with the first quality improvement concept, which is the 5S. The 5S, which is the developed by the Japanese organizations, right, for improving the quality of the product at the manufacturing place. So for improving the quality of the product at the manufacturing place, we have to focused on the surrounding area and the surrounding atmosphere for improving the quality of the product. So here there are the 5 different S. Like in the Japanese language, there is a seri, seton, seiso, setsuke, seisu for the quality improvement technique, right? So just after discussing this 5 Japanese word, you have asking the questions, we are unable to understand the Japanese language, right? Yeah, you are absolutely right. But to easy that Japanese terminology, I am explaining this concept in a very easy way. I am explaining this concept in a very easy way in the manner is that the 5S, which is working as a, first you have to sort out the items then you have to separate that item, then you have to clean that place, then you have to standardize the place for that item, and last you have to sustain with the standardized place. So this 5S you can implement in your organizations, in your home, in your office, in your wardrobes. So in a personal self, you can also the 5S you can implement for your personal self, or in your wardrobe, or in your drawers, and in your wallet also. So the next Japanese concept, which is the Kaizen. The Kaizen, which is also the Japanese name, which is made from the summations of the two words, which is the Kai and Zen. The Kai, that means the change, and Zen, which is the change for the betterment, which is the change for the betterment. So the summation of this terminology, which is the Kaizen, which is said that the change for the betterment. Now the next concept, which is the Kanban. The Kanban is that the Kanban is used for improving the quality of the product in the inventory control zoner. Now the next, another two concept, which is the TQM and TPM, which is also regarding the total quality management and total productive management. Now the next concept is, which is the Pokayoke. The Pokayoke is also a very funny name, or in the Japanese word, but the meaning for improving the quality, which is very meaningful. With the Pokayoke, we are in a easy manner, we can say that it is the mistake proofing. We have to make our system, make our organizations, make our process for the mistake proofing. So the any kind of the workers, employee which is related to the manufacturing of this product are never make any kind of the mistake in this system or in these organizations, which is furtherly difficult for the improving the quality of the product. So here we are focusing on the system which is make as a mistake proof. Then the Six Sigma. The Six Sigma is a majorly used Japanese concept for improving the quality of the product, which is developed by the Bill Smith of the Motorola Corporations in 1986. The Six Sigma concept is majorly working on the concept is that you have to make a product in a manner of the zero defect free, right? So you have to focus your system in the manner is that you have to make a product in a zero defect free concept. And last concept of the today's lecture is the lean manufacturing. The lean manufacturing is already defined itself is that the lean, L-E-A-N, so is means that the less equipments are needed. So with using or with optimizing a less number of equipments, and we have to produce a quality product, we have to use a less number of equipments, and with optimizing the equipment, we have to achieve a same quality product for our organization. So in today's lecture we are discuss the definitions of quality, quality improvement techniques, and different quality concept for the quality improvement. So in next lectures we discuss the Six Sigma concept in a very detailed manner. So if you have any kind of the questions for the today's lecture, you can ask me in the comment sections, and I will give you every question's answers in as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video.